Hello, dear children. I welcome you all to SJEC e-classes where learning never stops. In our today's video, we are going to study about a poem, Olympic Granny, written by Ken Nesbitt. So, children, what kind of an image do you get in your mind when we talk about the athletes who participate in the Olympic Games? Strong, healthy, fit and fine, isn't it? But in this poem, the poet describes us how his 99-year-old granny will perform at the Olympics. So children, let us start with the reading of the poem. When grandma goes for gold in the Olympic Games this year, she'll laugh at her competitors and make them quake with fear. Now children, the poet is telling us that his grandmother is going to participate in the Olympic Games this year. She is fit, she is strong, and she is so confident that she is going to laugh at her competitors. And children, this confidence of grandmother is going to make her competitors shake with fear. So children, can you see this is the level of confidence we should have whenever we are going to participate in any game, quiz or any other competition. She is 99 years old, but in athletics she is blessed. So children, that means that in spite of being 99 years old, she is blessed in athletics. She is very good at athletics. The trouble is she can't decide which sport she plays the best. Now imagine, she is good at so many sports that she is not able to decide that which sport she plays better. Now what are the sports that she is good in? She is such an ace at archery. She is queen of the canoe. Children, archery is a shooting game which is played with bow and arrow. So grandmother is an ace at archery. Ace means a person who is extremely good at doing something. So she's an ace, that means she's extremely good at archery. And she's the queen of canoe. Canoe is a kind of boat racing. So she's the queen of canoe. That means she's excellent at canoeing. She's tough to top at taekwondo and table tennis too. Children, taekwondo is a kind of martial arts just like karate. Now just imagine how difficult it is to do those kicks and moves, and that too at the age of 99. And she's not only good at taekwondo, but she's equally good at table tennis also. She dominates the diving board. So she's even good at the diving board. She trumps the trampoline. Children, trampoline is an equipment used for jumping in the air. So grandmother trumps the trampoline. That means she's very good at jumping on the trampoline. At lifting weights and wrestling, she's the best you have ever seen. Now children, just imagine how difficult it is to lift those heavy weights, and she's doing it at the age of 99. Isn't it commendable? So from this we can say that she's the best. She speeds across the swimming pool to slake the summer heat. Now she's also good at swimming. She swims at a very fast speed, which is unimaginable. On BMX and mountain bike, she simply can't be beat. That is, you cannot beat her on BMX. BMX, children, is a kind of bicycle which is used to ride on the mountains. So that means grandmother is even good at riding bikes and bicycles, and that too on the mountains. Isn't that amazing? She is highest in the high jump and a champ at hammer throwing. So even in the high jump, she is excellent. Just imagine an old lady jumping at a height. And a champ in hammer throwing. So even in this game she is a champion. Magnificence in marathons. Remarkable at rowing. So, when it comes to races, marathons, or rowing boats, she is remarkable. She is brilliant at all of them. She beats the best at boxing. So, children, not only wrestling, but she is also good at boxing. At the pole vault, she is peerless. Her fencing is the finest. So, children, when it comes to pole vault, she is unmatchable. Nobody can compete Grandma in pole vault. She is positively fearless. That means she is undoubtedly fearless. She doesn't fear anybody. She is masterful at basketball. She truly rules the court. Now, children, she is also good at ground games like basketball. And all the court is hers. And equally incredible at every other sport. So, children, not only this, she is equally good at all other sports. But what we find astonishing and something of a shocker, so the poet wants to tell us that something which is really astonishing, really shocking is that how she wins all contests with her wheelchair and her walker. So children, she is playing all the sports in her wheelchair and a walker. Just imagine, she's ready to go at the Olympics. She's good at water sports, land sports. She excels at all kinds of sports at the age of 99. And the most surprising fact is that she is on her wheelchair. Children, this is such a motivating story. When an old grandmother can achieve heights, she can win gold medals, even being bound, being restricted by her wheelchair. Then all of us who are blessed with a fit body, a fine mind, can achieve anything that we want. So children, that is all for our today's e-class. If you enjoyed our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel SJEC E-Classes and stay connected. Thank you everyone.